We discovered microencapsulation in the 50s. Carbonous paper is a result of microencapsulation. When you write on the paper, microcapsules of carbon are released onto the next copy and leave a dry impression. It doesn't smear. Robert Baylis, president of Capsulated Systems Incorporated, has enhanced and patented this process of microencapsulation. It is a method of mixing two solutions that have opposite qualities, such as oil and water, and encapsulating the product with a protective shell. When oil is mixed with water, the oil forms an emulsion of tiny beads. A polymer, such as polyvinyl alcohol, is introduced into the water phase, surrounds the beads, and forms a protective wall. The walls are hardened through a chemical treatment to ensure stability. When the water is drained off and the beads are dried, a powdery residue is left, which is, in fact, microencapsulated beads of oil.
Of the many applications of microencapsulation, one can think of the agricultural industry, the industrial industry, pharmaceuticals, foods, flavors, medicines.
I'm going to show you dry water. This indicator paper will turn blue if there's water present. Watch me crush it. Voila! Blue paper. Presence of water.
Capsulated Systems has developed a chemical locking device for threaded fasteners. This material has been applied to a threaded fastener so that when a nut is screwed upon the thread, the epoxy reacts with its curing agent and chemically locks itself within 24 hours, such that the nut will not be removed.
I am placing on this piece of paper some microencapsulated inorganic dye. With that, in the second bottle, I'm placing a co-reactant, an acid. As I break these capsules, I generate ink.
Microencapsulation is such a large area that I cannot perform or cover its capability in my short lifetime. This whole concept of microencapsulation is starting. It's in its infancy. And I think that, and hope and dream, that there will be some youngsters, high school, college, and graduates, who will pursue this technology to its fullest extent in their own way, in their own time.
One can hold a flame close to microencapsulated gasoline and not have it burn. I demonstrated one principle, that I have eliminated, if not reduced, the availability of vapor. Vapor around a volatile solution is the cause of explosions. So you see, the technology goes on and on, all for the purpose of just bettering mankind.